Hey guys, I'm Matthew.
And I'm John.
And together we're the Airsoft Amigos. Welcome to our new channel.
Hello.
While we're relatively new to the sport, we are very, very passionate. And as you follow and watch our videos, you're going to see us learn more about it and grow. You know, the main thing to us is promoting fun, safe, and honorable airsoft.
Yeah.
And we're going to be bringing some pretty cool content to you guys. I mean, we've got gameplay videos.
You're so sneaky today.
I'm always sneaky.
We're going to be doing more unboxings. And we're going to be doing some short films and skits.
Yes, skits.
We both have a film background, and we're going to be bringing some of our cinematic experience to this channel to bring things that I don't think many people see related to airsoft and on the internet. So if you like what we're doing here, please like, subscribe, share, and continue to follow us because we're just getting started. Thanks.
Call your hits.
Call your hits.